Hello there, my name is Brittni Bowering and I'm a B2B content strategist. I'm a workshop facilitator and I am very eager to give you as much value out of this session as possible. And that's why I really want to talk to you about something that I've learned a lot about in the last couple of years, remote work. And more than remote work, remote experiences, how to actually deliver a really great remote workshop, event, meeting, you name it. So please join me. I think it's going to be a real rip-roaring good time. And I will see you at, oh my gosh, when is it? I will see you on June 10th at the Future of Now. See you then. Bye.